Well, welcome back to Projects R Us. The next project on the list is installing this tailgate assist on the F250 here. So you may recognize this name, DeeZee. They actually are the ones that also has this bumper step that we installed a few years ago on the truck. I'll link that right here. It was a super easy install, so I'm assuming this is just going to be the same. I haven't opened it or looked at the instructions yet, but no drilling, installs in minutes. I think it's going to be a really easy fix, so let's get to it. So the reason we want to install this tailgate assist today is for this reason. That's terrible. I hate that every time. So basically what this assist does is it's basically just a strut that mounts here. I'm not sure if it's on which side it's on. I think it's on this side. But it's a strut that mounts here, so as you let go of this, it kind of slowly lets the tailgate down. When you're trying to load up and you're hitching everything up, it's really nice to just be able to pop it, walk away, and let it come down on its own. So we are going to go ahead and open this up and see what it all comes with. I have my helper, my assistant here, little Miss Madison. Let's see. So this is the shock right here. It's just a little gas strut. And then I think this is the rest of it right here. This is some kind of film protectant or something. Well, it looks like it even comes with the star tool to remove the old bit, because I believe we have to take off one of these, like these things. But let's see what the instructions say. So you do have to check the website and make sure that your number, that number right there, is a specific SKU number that goes with specific ones. So it just depends on what make and model yours is. Okay, let's see. Okay, this product can only be installed on the driver's side. Okay. On the tailgate, we want to take these bolts off, and then we're going to mount this on top of the top bolt. Oh, you bringing me some flowers? Thank you very much. And then this will go up here. Okay. Interesting. All right, let me get a 10 mil wrench. Okay, remove only the top bolt. And then loosen but not remove the lower bolt. Okay. Oh, these are long bolts, huh? Now I believe there is a bracket that slips behind this bolt, so we need it to be far enough out that the bracket can slip behind it. That's this bracket here. Okay, that should be good. The tailgate ball mount plate has an open slot on one side. Slide the plate over the loosened bolt between the tailgate and the washer on the bolt. Between the tailgate and the washer. So put that right there. Thread the button head bolt into the tailgate through the hole in the tailgate ball mount. So we are replacing this bolt with this bolt because it's shorter. All right, so we need to install this bolt here. All right, remove the tailgate cable from the bolt. Use a T50 torque socket or the wrench provided to remove the cable bolt. And that's this piece up here. All right, so this piece was included. I don't know if I'm going to have enough leverage. I might. Oh my gosh. I could feel it slipping. I feel like this thing's been stripped out. Well, unfortunately, it looks like this bolt is pretty well stripped. I don't know if that happened when they took the tailgate off to do the bed liner or what, but this bolt is quite stripped. I mean, you could see how loose that is in there, and I don't have... Let me see if I have this bit. So yesterday we left off, this tool is not strong enough. I don't have enough leverage to get this bolt out. So I actually went on Amazon and grabbed a T50 Torx real quick. So this should be no problem now. We should have enough leverage. Madison, do you want to come help me? Okay.
Okay.
You sit right there. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put this in here. Okay.
You just like me like helping. It's too hot.
Yeah, it is pretty hot and sunny.
Yeah, that's what I don't have any glasses. I bought some from Carol and I don't have them. Right, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
We did an road trip for driving. And I had them.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, this thing is pretty stripped. This is not gonna be fun putting it back in.
Can I help with all the arrows for you? She's right there?
Yeah.
Next to me?
All right. Yeah.
Right?
All right, remove the tailgate cable from the bolt. All right. So there's that. Okay. Install the bolt removed from the previous step through the hole in the ball mount plate back into the hole. So then this is going to go on now.
Okay.
And it's going to go under.
You're doing a good job.
I'm doing a good job?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Thank you, Madison.
You're welcome.
Just wish there was a easier way to hold this. Here, can you spin this for Daddy?
Yes.
Spin that for Daddy. Other way. Oh, hang on. We got to make sure it stays in the hole. Okay, now. Yeah. Oh, that was good. Do that. Yeah. Perfect. Yep. Good job. Oh, hang on. We're going to put it back in there. Okay, now do it. Keep going. You got to go all the way back like that. And then go. And then go all the way back. And then go. Okay, hang on. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
And do it again.
If I could do it by myself?
No, I need to hold it in there. Okay, yep. There you go. There you go. Back up. Yep. Down. Yeah, good job. Yep.
What is this?
Keep going.
Project called?
This is a tailgate assist, is what we're installing.
Yeah.
That's going to help the tailgate when it falls. You know how it makes a really big noise? Well, it's not going to make a big noise anymore because there's a gas strut that's going to hold it so that it comes down real nice and gentle. All right, keep coming up. All the way up, all the way up, all the way up. Good job. We'll stop right there. Let's see, are we supposed to tighten this all the way? Well, it just says install the bolt. Oh, tighten the bolt with the T50, yes.
I did a good job helping with that.
Yeah, we'll do it again in a second.
Okay. That could be really
That could be really fun, you're right.
Very fun helping.
I love it when you help, Bubba. You're such a great help.
Yeah. My mommy is a great helper with... I got my... What is next? Can I help you with this?
You can hold that for me. You can just pretend.
No, I can't. I can just... This one is better than this. This is better.
Now it says install the narrow end of the shock on the ball mount previously installed, the one on the tailgate. All right, so we take the small end and we trying to like not be in the way of the camera. Okay, so that's on there. All right, and then this should just go right on here. Nice. All right, this is going to be the last step, I think. We need to put this cable back on this bolt, but we need to lift up the tailgate. Okay, so Madison, you're going to hold on to this. Okay, I'm going to lift up on the tailgate. There, and then push. Now pull it down. Nice, good job. High five, you did it. That was awesome. Okay, now let's give her a whirl. So you stand up there. We're gonna close you in. Move your fingers. Okay.
Thank you.
So here we go. This is the test of time. You sit right there, okay? Hey, look at that.
Oh.
So it didn't slam down.
Yep.
And everything's on there real nice and tight. We'll do it one more time. Okay. You ready? Nice. High five, kiddo. You did a great job helping. Thank you.